What do you asking for that? Would you do 25 on the fan?
And then check this out.
1848. Huh. How you guys doing today?
How you doing? Lots of stuff inside.
Okay. Oh man, look at the knives.
Knives are $2 and $3 each.
I'm gonna scoot by you there for a second.
Oh yeah, sure.
Husky. Milwaukee. How much you say the knives were? Sorry?
I'm sorry?
How much you say the knives were?
$2 and $3.
2 and 3? Okay.
Bigger, better ones are $3.
Yeah, I gotcha.
The little shitty ones are $2.
No problem. Anytime I see a lot of knives, one thing I'm looking out for is some of the well-known names such as like Case or Buck. Case and Buck knives that actually sell really well on eBay. You got a lot of stuff. Do you buy storage units?
Old houses, the guy works for me.
Oh, okay. I figured you did something along those lines.
Yep.
You're such a collection of things. Do you do a lot of yard sales then?
Nope.
Okay.
Twice a year, that's why you see what you see.
Gotcha. What are you asking for that? Or is that not for sale?
It was part of mine. But,
Oh, okay.
You know, if I wanted to sell it, I'd sell it for 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
Yeah.
Does it work?
Well, that's the problem.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't light up anymore. It's the it did.
Yeah.
I got it, but it won't.
Switches on this side. Yeah.
It's the
Needs to be replaced in the bottom there.
whatever you call it.
Yeah. It's a cool sign.
It is very cool. It is very cool. We've had it for a long time.
Yeah.
You riding a bike with your GoPro, or what do you?
No, I film. I go to yard sales, just film my finds and stuff like that. When I find, I have a YouTube channel for it and stuff like that.
Oh,
so
film
like,
away.
it's kind of like American Pickers style.
Well, that's similar to this.
Yeah. This is cool. Atari.
Yeah. 19. You want to see something else that's pretty cool?
Yeah.
Take it in the back. The date's 86.
What is this? SC1224.
19.
I saw that.
Yeah, it works, baby.
It works? What are you asking for it?
$40.
$40?
And
That's
then,
cool.
Yeah. And then check this out. Knives are $2 and 3.
1848. Huh.
How
Wow.
much is this? $2.
That's interesting.
Yeah, the
What do you have on that?
Huh?
What do you have on that?
$25.
$25.
Now the rest of it's good.
Just so you can tell the water damage up front.
So what happened? Yeah.
And this, I would take it that this was the original, you know, it's leather.
Yeah.
But I'm sure that
That's
that's
very.
a one of yeah.
You don't see that. I usually, if anything for the 1800s, I usually get usually like 1890, somewhere in that ballpark, but 48.
Right. Don't quite get why all these newspaper clippings are in the front,
Yeah.
and then you come to that.
Yeah.
The illustrations are pretty awesome and stuff.
Yeah, 1848. That's crazy. Does that monitor work?
It lights up.
It lights up.
Yeah.
What do you have on it?
Make me a reasonable offer. You can go plug it right here. Pick it up, put it on top of the microwave.
Here's a nice size one.
You see the date on the back?
Yeah. That's when the Atari systems, the video game systems were getting released in like 78 all the way up through the 80s and stuff like that. I just haven't seen the monitor before.
Well, it did light right there. Hold on.
There might be a power button. On, here we go. Here we go. Turning on. Power's on.
Well,
Let's see if the screen comes on.
That was about it.
Screen.
Well, this is brightness, contrast.
Let's see if I mess with it. Yeah, no power in it. So I couldn't get.
Morning. Here to buy another grill?
So I couldn't get a picture on the screen, but we were able to get power to it. What do you think you want for the monitor? The Atari monitor.
20 bucks.
20 bucks? Deal.
Here, I'll get it.
You guys may remember Atari as being one of the very first home video game consoles. They also made monitors with keyboards that you can play games on as well. This one's from 1986. It is pretty highly sought after. Working condition, this one goes anywhere from like 200 to like 300 bucks. This one does power on. It does, the screen does not turn on, but even for parts, I think I can get 100 to 125 bucks for it. One of my favorite things to pick up at yard sales and sell is ink, even if it's expired. Unfortunately, these expired in like 2013, so they were like 8 and 10 years old. I decided to pass. I'll take the monitor.
Our golf pro man here. Monitor.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the monitor.
You are?
Yeah, I'll buy the monitor.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Would you do 25 on the fan? Yes.
What are you doing with the monitor?
What am I doing with the monitor?
How much?
20 on the monitor. We're doing 20 on the monitor. Yeah. And also, what do you want for these? You had a couple little figures, and you had a thing of ink.
All right, here. And what are you offering me for the fan?
25.
Make it $30 because you're getting this shit for free.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. So I owe you 50 so
You owe
far.
me a half a yard. Keep
All right.
going.
I'm
Go.
keep going. I'm gonna keep going.
Keep your camera on and go.
No problem. Let's see what else here. Very intrigued with that.
I know. I am too.
Yeah. Let me see. Let's see what else we can buy. You're in the mood. You're in the mood to move stuff. I'm in the mood to buy stuff. So it works out well.
Hey, GoPro, what's your name?
Rod.
Rod?
Yeah, Rod.
Bag for your little guy.
Thank you, sir. So right now I'm trying to kill some time because I did reach out to the OG picker, Hot Rod himself, my dad, and I wanted to see if he was interested in this sign and if we could potentially get it fixed. I love looking at these old books, especially when this one's 175 years old, which is crazy to think about. Normally I would pick books like this up, but this one's practically falling apart. I'm really terrified that it would fall apart during shipping. I've seen comps anywhere from like 50 to like 150 bucks based off the condition, probably closer to the 50 to $75 mark. That box though may be worth, you know, the 25 bucks by itself, but I decided to pass. Oh, what do you want for this?
10 bucks.
10 bucks, done. So we're at 60. All right, so we were at 30, 20, 60. 20. It doesn't light up though. It needs to be repaired.
No, that's okay.
Yeah. I did hear back from the OG picker. He did say that he has a buddy that's an electrician that could probably fix the sign for us. So I decided to pick it up for 20 bucks. Looking back at it now, I should have just bought it right from the very beginning. 20 bucks for this sign is actually a steal, even if it doesn't work. Working, I think we can get anywhere from $300 to $500 for this based off comps I've seen on WorthPoint. Hey, you?
Yeah.
You're the boss?
Yeah.
All right, so I got a pile there and it was $80 for the pile. You want to go through it?
I'm sorry, which?
I'll show you,
Yeah, sure.
So we said 30 for the fan in this bag.
Okay.
20 bucks for that, so that was 50.
50.
That was 10 for 60, and this time was 20. That was 80.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
cool. This. That's what to come back, grab the monitor then.
Yeah.
Actually, if you can grab the monitor, I can probably grab that fan.
Okay.
Thank you.
What?
I got it for 20. I bought it. You talked me into it. And I bought the other stuff too. I bought it.
That you can. How to get to this? You slide the back off.
I have a buddy that we have a buddy that can probably repair it. So I figured with the risk.
Oh,
So.
Yeah.
I appreciate you giving me a deal, man. All right, so as I'm ending this, I just want to point out that this is why it's so important to be personable with the people at the yard sales. You know, have a good conversation with them. Not because you want something, just because you're a good human. Me and this guy had a really good conversation, and after I paid and bought everything, he wanted me to come over to his house to see his random items. So I decided to go with him. You just never know what you're gonna find out and see. Yeah, I was telling your workers, like my dad used to have a hauling business up in Pennsylvania. We used to work with a bunch of real estate agents and clear out properties, and man, you find some of the cool stuff sometimes.
Well, that's just it.
Yeah, I know. It's
Other people's junk is treasures.
Oh, yeah.
Others. It's like the
Absolutely.
Bible and that little fan.
Yeah.
Oh, we had probably about 8 cars, and I started building race cars with my grandson.
Gotcha. Well, these are cool.
Oh yeah.
Huh. Interesting. You probably got a cool little stash yourself. Personal collection, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Was that what you collect? Race cars?
Well, yeah. I mean, I used to race. I used to drag race and all kinds of different stuff. That's a 44.
Yeah. That's awesome. You got all these up top here. Wow.
Well, that's 20-some years of Hess truck.
My grandparents used to buy me a Hess truck every year on my birthday.
That's what.
Yeah.
That's what.
Yep.
That's one of those that started.
Yeah, same thing.
And then all of these are kind of.
Oh wow.
This was my neighbor. He was a jeweler. And
Oh, you got the old.
He says, "You want my jewelry cabinet?" I said, "Fucking A, I do."
Oh yeah, look at these. That's a cool
that's-
display.
I did Super Bowl.
Yeah, with the Bucks.
Yep. And I did Super Bowl with the Giants and the Buffalo Bills.
Yep.
And then this is my Earnhardt Daytona deal.
Oh, that's neat.
And then this is
Oh yeah, you got the Earnhardt figure.
junior, senior,
Yeah.
Tony
Yeah,
Baloney.
You got the knives and the watches and pocket watches.
Well, that's my grandson when he was like 8 with Tony Stewart.
Yeah, that's
He's
cool.
now over at Ridley Aviation School in Daytona.
Oh, nice.
And this is all the Daytonas.
All the Daytona cars.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
So all those cars used to be with a program every year.
Yeah.
They started in 2000. Dale was still in 2001.
Yep.
Then the because of 2021, they didn't do a car with the program. Pissed me off.
What you need for your collection?
So I got 23. There's no 22.
Why they skip a year?
COVID. That's what.
They should have had
You
it
want to blame
online.
anything on anything?
Yeah, blame it on COVID.
Blame it on COVID.
Well, I appreciate you showing me this. This is cool.
Yeah. Oh, this is my toy box.
Yeah. No, I get it. I got my little man cave at the house as well. What about you? You got anything good in your personal collection you're looking to get rid of? Like sports cards, anything? No, comics, nothing? That was such a fun pickup. That guy was an absolute blast. I had to cut out a lot of our conversation because, as you can tell there, it got a little vulgar, as you can say, but super cool guy. I hope to see him again here in the future. Now, when it comes down to these items, you know, that Atari monitor we will sell for parts. We'll probably get about 100, 125 bucks for that. It will take a little while to sell, but I'm okay with that because it's going to be a great turnaround. As for that Florida lotto sign, I think it's valued right now between 1 and 150 in the condition that it's in. If we can get it fixed and get it working, I value it probably around the $400 to $500 range, somewhere in that ballpark. Based of other comps I see for newer signs, that one is a more of an old vintage sign, so I think we get a little bit higher price for that one. So hopefully we can do something and be able to get that. In my last videos, I've been getting a lot of requests to see the dogs, and someone did yell at me for not showing the cats. So here you guys go. There's a fan favorite as always. There's Willow sleeping next to Sky. Say hi, Willow. Hello. Oh yeah, give kisses. There we go. And then we got Blue over here, sleeping in her bed. Hey, Blue, give some kisses. Okay. Yeah. All right. Trying to walk across here. Willow wants to be the superstar as always. Get out of here. Let me film Blue for a second. All right. There's Blue. Beautiful. Here's another rescue here. Here's Samantha sleeping. My other dog, Mr. Jack, is still sleeping. That's my little Shih Tzu. We'll see him again here in the future. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.